Alright.
Okay. What's up mga ka-Investa, and I'm here today kasama ko yung team members ko sa Investagrams, and we're going to do our usual na stock pick, and mag-book share din kami after. So again, bakit namin to ginagawa? It's because we want everyone in the team to also have the opportunity to share ano yung mga titigan nila stocks, na yung watch list nila, ano yung setup sa binabantayan nila. And it's not always going to be only those na yung marunong na mag-trade. Everyone will be given the opportunity to share and to apply yung mga natututunan nila. Kung nakita nyo yung post si JC about a week ago or a few days ago, may posted na katapos na 3-hour session siya with the team teaching kung ano man yung tinuro niya. Right? So ngayon, ma-apply na namin lahat. So I'll begin na. I'm one of the people who will be doing the stock picks. So share ko na yung screen ko. Teka, share screen. Ay, puta. Technically mali. Percent. Okay. Alright, so kumusta guys? So I've been tasked. I'm one of the people who will be doing stock picks. So hopefully okay kayo lahat dyan. So let's begin. So una, before I go to individual stocks, ano ba nangyayari ngayon sa index, right? For the past 2 to 3 weeks or a month, well actually almost 2 months, medyo sideways lang tayo. Wala masyado nangyayari. Right? So we've been in this very tight range, because of indecisiveness. Right? Walang may gusto bumili, walang may gusto masyadong magbenta, so wala masyadong place ngayon sa PSE. So actually ngayon, for me personally, I've been more focused on trading US stock market, and included sa stock picks ko, nabigay din ako ng a few US stocks na pwedeng may setup even coming tonight or in the coming days. Okay? So yung notice ko sa PSE, trading it since the crash, is itong naka-encircle dito. During this time, yung mga plays, pwede siyang, alam mo yun, diba, nagbo-bottom siya, parang nagko-consolidate sa ilalim, and then nagbe-breakout, pwede mo tirahin yun. But after that initial, yung months na yan, itong period na to, usually mga breakout plays, yung mga stocks breaking out of resistance, lagi na uuntog or nasa sell on rally, or nabibenta sa early resistance pa lang. So, yung style ngayon to adapt is to be more of a position trader, to accumulate at key support levels bago pa lang mag-breakout yung stock, tapos benta mo on the rally. Yun nakikita ko lagi. Kasi lahat ng breakout, fade after a few days. So, ano ba yung mga stocks na tinitignan ko sa local? Since wala masyadong opportunities, diba? Konti lang. So, ang hinahanap ko is stocks that are bottoming out, similar to MAC, tapos nagbibigay ng bullish divergence. So in one of the learning sessions, diba, tinuro ko RSI, or Relative Strength Index, yung overbought, oversold. Another way you can use it is through divergences. Basically siya, kapag bullish divergence, it means yung price, as you can see, bumababa siya, diba? Price is going down. But if you look at the RSI, yung line, yung RSI is actually going higher. While the price is making a lower low, yung RSI is making a higher low, which can signal a potential bounce or potentially baka mag-reverse yung trend in the short term, meaning baka umangat na yung presyo. But of course, hindi ka lang bibili just because nagka-bull div. Kailangan may price signal din. So what I was waiting for kay MAC was may re-break na yung support level at 4 pesos, which happened sa day na to. Tapos, may pointer ba? Ayun, may pointer. Sa day na to, pero na-fade siya. And then, yun, madami na shakeout, madami na papakat. And then today, na-rebreak niya ulit. So, medyo, unless willing ka mag-buy, malamang, papabili ka dito, sell, then buy back. Right? Mahirap siya sabayan. Right now, if I were to trade this, I'll try to accumulate it anywhere near 4. Tight cut below 390, 385. And then, tingnan natin, baka sell on rally structure nasa 510, 520 area dito sa resistance na to. Itong band, it's basically parang EMA 50 lang. Right, so yun. The next is BPI. So ito, breakout play to. Right, but medyo outlier kasi to among the blue chips, among the financials. Ito yung pinakamalakas na bank. Diba? So, mukhang mabibreak na, right, yung EMA 50. And then, yung immediate target ko would be yung resistance kaagad dito, which is 73.74. Tapos cut kaagad. Yung cut would be kapag nag-below 60. That's one of the things I'm looking at. And then next, ito would be nickel. So, personally, para walang bias, ako may position ako kay nickel. Bakit? Because it's already at its all-time parang support level. Parang ito na yung pinaka-support. After nito, wala na support. So, potentially, baka may, since mura na, since sa multi-year support level, baka pwede. So, and then looking at it, sa daily, you see a consolidation similar to MAC. And then you're also going to see a bullish divergence as well. So, habang yung price, nag-chill, diba? It's at support, right? Yung low niya dito, 145, same dito, but RSI is going high while the price is still the same, diba? So, potentially, baka na magka-reversal. Sorry, natakpan yung words ng candles, no? Pero ngayon, so 150 siya. Right? Ako yung average price ko, so 150 din. Pinili ko siya ng candle na to. Right? Pero bumagsak pa. Akala ko hindi na mag-detest sa 145, bumagsak pa. And then, TP ko, if the trade idea materializes, would be 180. Or dito sa high, sa resistance sa kagad. Di ko na kukunin yung breakout. I'll take the 80% gain kapag materialize. Right, so yun lang titignan ko sa PSE. Pero ngayon, this is an unfamiliar stock, US stock to. So I'll share din mga 3 stocks at titignan ko sa US for those na nag-trade na US. Or para lang mapakita sa inyo, if nakita nyo yung pattern sa Philippines, sa stocks na pinili ko, puro bottoming out, puro reversal, right? Tapos puro sell on rally lang. Sa US naman, for the past month, puro all-time high place. Meaning stocks na na-break lahat ng resistance and all-time high na yung presyo. So yun yung usually trade ko sa US. So one of the stocks na titignan ko ngayon is SPLK. And basic lang, it's making an all-time high. Na-break yung 175. Yesterday, nag-retest. So yung nangyari sa US yesterday, May 27, is grabe yung shakeout. Bumagsak yung index, bumagsak yung mga leading stocks, tapos end of day, bumawi. Kaya makikita nyo yung hammer. Red to kahapon. Diba? Tapos end of day, nag-close ng green. So solid. Ito yung isa sa mga titignan ko. Waiting to see kung mag-break yung 186. Next, Tesla. So actually sa US, very bullish ako. Right? Because everyone's saying na for the past months, lahat negative. So parang contrarian mindset. I was bullish at the time. Tapos ngayon na nagiging positive yung mga tao, baka in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Or in the next week, baka magka-pullback. I'm looking at Tesla because basic lang downtrend line, looking at the break of resistance. Then if you see, during this period, supported by low volume, so if you see consolidation, it's a good thing. A thing you want to see is nagko-consolidate siya, meaning there's low yung volume below average. That's a good sign. Right? So, and yun nangyayari dito. Consolidating, below resistance, low volume. So, very bullish ako kay Tesla. And looking to sell it lang, say, umabot sa 1K, magtitrim na ako. The last, si HD, Home Depot. So, ngayon, nasa all-time high levels din. So, looking lang, so very simple lang ako mag-trade. Yan lang. May indicator na wala lang. Tapos, merong horizontal na line. Ganun lang ako simple mag-trade sa US. So, looking to see if tonight, kaya niya, as of May 28, kaya niya ma-break yung 248 to 250. For sure, I'm gonna have a position here. So, yun lang yung stock picks ko. So, yun. Thank you.
Right. Thank you, Renzo. So, sino next mag-represent? Pao pala, sorry. So, ang next na mag-represent is si EJ.
Si EJ, yes, EJ. So, stop ko na i-share ko.
Okay. Ready ka na, EJ?
Sige. Share ko na yung screen.
Okay.
Mag-introduce pa ba? Oo, goods na.
Introduce lang ako.
Sige. Okay. So, hello, I'm EJ. So, I'm the mobile development lead in Investagrams. So personally, I consider myself a beginner trader. Well, meron naman akong actual trading account, pero with the current market condition and pag nag-aaral pa ako ng setups, virtual trading mostly ginagawa ko. Sige. Na-share na yung screen, no?
Yes,
So,
itong plain.
okay.
Ito.
So, start. Dun sa stock picks ko, may 2 points akong kinonsider. So, first is technical analysis. So, basically looking at the charts and finding possible setups for stocks on support in their support and resistance levels. As another point is yung magiging effect ng GCQ dun sa business. Like how positively it would affect the business. Since yung ECQ is malilift sa Metro Manila by June 1, so most likely dapat na priced in na yung by this week na price in na yung magiging effect nun dun sa mga stocks sa PSE. Okay, so first stock is green. So looking at the chart, makita natin na meron siyang steady uptrend recovery. So since yung start siya mag-recover noong March 16, yan, meron magandang trend line, uptrend line na makikita. So in contrast to sa majority of stocks sa PSE, pag makikita natin, pag upon recovery, mag-enter sila ng consolidation period agad. So yan, kita natin, iba't ibang stocks nag-exhibit ng same pattern. So in contrast nga si green, ayan, medyo steady yung uptrend move niya and sustained. So actually itong chart pala na to kahapon, kagabi pa to eh. So currently ang price na ni green is 1.56. So ito yung possible setup. May cut loss ka around 1.4 area. Then target conservative target mo is 1.6. Then if ma-break pa niya yun, possible na umabot ng 1.8. So yun nga, currently 1.56 na yung stock. So kung naka-accumulate ka na sa base, okay siya. Pero kung baka mag-consolidate pa siya before mag-breakout ng 1.6, so pwede kang bumili anytime before doon. So okay, next. So itong green, nabili ko siya sa virtual trading mga 2 days ago. So kung yan, nabili mo siya by that time, so meron ka ng 9.33% gain by now. Next stock is Bloom. So ito naman, business is casinos and resorts and hotels. So siguro yung mga tao looking forward sa reopening ng casinos. So yung interesting dito sa chart is meron siyang increased above average volume. Itong yung date na yan, yung may araw. So it may high demand that time, so possible na mag trigger siya ng push to higher prices. So yun nga. Itong chart din na to kagabi pa eh. So ngayon si Bloom is nasa 5.8 na yung price niya. So yung pwedeng gawin is cut loss mo is 5.15, then hintayin mo mag-breakout ng 6 pesos. Pero yun nga, ito kasi si Bloom, since yung nature ng business niya is leisure. So pwede ring maging extra conservative muna tayo kasi yung ganong type of business is hindi naman siya necessity. Kahit after na malift yung ECQ, more likely hindi pag ganun agad dadami yung taong pupunta sa casinos. Ganun. So ito din, nabili ko siya 2 days ago sa virtual trade. So ayan yung gains if nabili mo siya that time. So last stock is BPI. So same to kay Paolo, nabanggit din niya. So yung ano dito is since yun, after mag-lifting ng ECQ, mag-start na mag-recover yung economy hopefully. And it will return to normal because of more money flowing through reopening of businesses, increased consumer transactions, so loans getting paid, things like that. So hopefully yung banking sector would start to recover na rin given those factors. So actually ito si BPI na post siya sa Investa Prime Plus research natin 9 days ago. So maganda yung group kasi meron dong trade ideas, market sentiments, sector insights, and most of yung post is statistical and backed by data. So sa atin, sa Investa, since may access tayo sa group na yun, so magandang i-take natin yung opportunity. It's a good learning opportunity even for newbies. Tingin-tingin lang tayo ng post doon. So, ito yung original trade parameters ni Investa, intact pa rin naman. Pero if conservative ka, pwede mo siyang i-adjust. So dito, ginawa ko yung cut loss is sa 61 pesos. Then, naghintay ng breakout sa 64. Then, initial target price mo pwedeng 70, tas pag malakas talaga siya, abot ng 75. So, malaking upside. So, ayun nga, ang current price niya ngayon 63.95. So, kung nag-aabang ka ng breakout play, so hintayin mo mag-break sa 64 pesos. Then, ayan. Ito, siya yung mababa pa yung binili ko rin to 2 days ago pero mababa pa yung gain since hindi pa nag-materialize talaga yung play. Okay, so summary. So if we look at PSEI, ano pa siya currently? Non-trending and meron pong possibility na mag-breakdown. So there are still opportunities on this kind of market as long as the support levels are holding. So most of the stocks are ranging. So we can try range trading. Range trading, buy on support, sell on resistance. The key is to become more conservative and selective and strict on your setups. Yun. If the current market condition is still too risky for your personality, you can try global markets nga. Kasi sa global, mas maganda yung recoveries nila. Tapos yung ibang stocks, nag-all-time high pa ata. So yun. So you can try other markets, global markets, and even Forex. Ayan siya. Hello?
Ayun. Sige. Thank you, EJ.
Okay.
Next
Thank you.
would be Pierre.
Hello?
Hi, Pierre.
Hello. Hi, I'm Pierre Ortiz, one of the web developers for Investagrams. Narinig ba ko?
Yes.
So, ayun, nag-prepare lang ako ng konting i-share. So, nasa newbie at status pa rin ako. Hindi pa rin ako ganun ka mag-trade. Tapos, share ko lang yung screen ko. So, ito yung mga napili ko na i-share. Mostly kasi parang ang mas tinitignan ko ngayon is Forex. Yun yung parang mas inaaral ko. So, unang napansin ko na medyo okay, tingin ko, is that Australian dollar to Japanese yen. Parang since nung nag-start yung mga quarantine, so naka-recover na siya. Tapos nung start of May, parang nag-consolidate siya. So mas tinitingnan ko kasi yung price action. So yung yung indicators ko is moving averages lang. Tapos yun. Tingnan ko lang kung saan parang nahihirapan yung price. So kung mapapansin nyo, dito nung May 18, nag-breakout siya dun sa parang 70 pesos. 70 units nung ano. Tapos nag-retest, tapos nag-breakout ulit. So kung ano siya, kung isip mo parang naiwan ka na nung unang rally niya since nung nag-crash yung ano, yun nga, nag-start yung mga quarantine. Tapos medyo mababa na yung potential na upside mo. Pero yun nga, hindi pa rin natin alam kung magtutuloy siya or ano. So ito yung mga potential niyang stop limit. So medyo ano, kung ako magte-trade nito, so hindi pa kasi ako nagte-trade ng totoong pera. Pero kung ako yung magte-trade nito, so conservative lang, mababa yung cut loss. Kasi sa Forex, di ba, mabilis lang yung mga galawan ng prices. So dapat strict dun sa cut loss. Siguro dito lang ulit sa 70 yung cut loss mo kung ngayon ka bibili. Tapos, yun. Potential na next levels niya itong 74 area, 74 to 74.5. Ayun. Isa pang currency na parang okay din. Parang napansin ko kasi malakas si Australian dollar ngayon. So yung Australian dollar to USD, parang ganun din yung nangyari sa kanya. Nag-rally mula nung nag-start yung mga quarantine, rally rin siya. Tapos, ayun, nung etong week lang din na to, parang nauntog ulit siya. Yun, parang either good time to buy, yun nga, parang retest. So, yun, katulad nung dun sa Australian dollar to Japan yen, parang konti na lang din yung upside. Pero yun nga, may potential pa rin kasi nga maganda yung trend niya. Tapos yung mga averages niya, so nasa above pa naman siya. Isa pa, yung New Zealand to Swiss franc. Ganun din, parang nag-consolidate siya ng ilang, almost 1 month na. Tapos na-break niya na yung ano niya, na-break niya saglit. So possible retest to. Tapos parang mas maganda dito kasi yung parang susunod na potential na yung upside mo medyo mas malaki kaysa dun kay Australian dollar. Tapos kung ako din, parang strict lang din ako sa cut loss kung iti-trade ko to. Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Ayun.
Tapos na yun, TR?
Meron din akong dalawang local sa PSE na stock. So,
Okay.
isa si Ayala. So, hindi ko pa siya yung nire-recommend na parang buy agad. Kasi, yun nga, PSE parang hindi pa talaga siya okay. Pero parang, kasi, breakout siya sa trend. Tapos, yung above nung average niya. So, pwede kasi kung parang mas gusto mong bumili ng mas mura, parang okay na pumosisyon ka na dito. Tapos, ayun, potential upside mo 13%. Tapos siguro cut loss ka na lang ulit ng mga gitna nung netong consolidation na to. Yun. Tapos, isa pa si SSP. Parang maganda naman yung earnings niya. Kung titingnan mo, parang 600%. Tapos, semiconductor siya. Parang, okay yung industry niya ngayon. Kasi, di ba, parang mga tech ngayon, parang hindi naman din masyado naapektuhan ng mga lockdown. So, ayun. yung parang uptrend tapos consolidate dun sa parang gitna nung etong consolidation na to. Medyo speculative lang din. Pero parang tignan lang kasi wala ring volume eh. So, let's see kung saan siya mapupunta. Hello?
Okay. Hello ka na, hello, Pierre. Ay, sorry,
So,
narinig yung niluluto ko.
So, yun. Yun yung mga tinitignan ko ngayon na ano.
Okay, thank you. That's
you.
it for stock pick session. So, thank you, Paolo. So, next, Paolo, EJ, and Pierre. So, we'll start now sa Bookshare. So, ready na ba si Kai?
Kinakabahan pa ako, Char. Game na ba?
Yes, paki-present na po.
Nakikita na?
Yes, kita na.
Okay. Alright.
Hello. Sorry, Kai. Sorry guys, nawala ako. Tangang internet ko sa bahay. Renzo, natapos si Pierre. Renzo, pwede mo na i-end yung recording?
Sige.
Sorry.
Okay.